Did you know that 50% of customers will actually avoid a company after just one bad experience? Okay, so that's pretty bad, but how do you avoid giving your customers a bad experience? I mean, we're only human after all. Did you see what I did there? If not, you'll see in a second. It's pretty. Every day, more and more small business experts are utilizing online chatbots to not only grow their business, but boost customer satisfaction. And if you stick around for the next couple minutes, I'll give you 5 reasons why small businesses are doing this and why it's working. Number 1, chatbots will always be helpful, cheery, and courteous. Much different than human employees, especially those jerks at frickin' Chatbots will always be there to greet customers enthusiastically, even when you're off the clock. Number 2, when a consumer thinks about a bot, it's usually associated with something negative like spam, robocalls, and Roombas. Fortunately, chatbots like Amy are designed to meet the specific needs of your industry and only pop up when the customer actually needs them. Number 3, chatbots quickly answer customer questions way faster than a human can. According to this survey, a whopping 75% of customers believe it takes too long to reach a live agent, and a whopping 100% of customers believe pineapple doesn't belong on pizza, although this data still needs to be peer-reviewed. Number 4, chatbots are great at drawing in customers. Even when you're off the clock, a chatbot like Amy can use its Calendly integration to schedule appointments. What's better than coming into work after stressing all night about sales, only to see that you have 3 potential events planned? I mean, I don't know, like winning the lottery? World peace? Look, we can't have everything, okay? And lastly, number 5, you simply get more time back in your day. While Amy is busy working with online customers, you'll have more time to dedicate yourself to important tasks. You'll have time to work with in-person customers more, and you won't have to hire as many people or put extra responsibilities on your current staff. It's a pretty big win. If you're interested in servicing your customers 24/7, providing unparalleled customer support, and promoting a positive association with your brand, consider signing up for Amy. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want to do that? All you need to do is just click the link below in the description to get started.